Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repost on TikTok. So let's go into the TikTok mobile application here, and if you want to post any of the video, for example, if I want to repost this video, you have to just go in the bottom right side section, that is a share icon. Just click on here and you will see the first option, that is repost. So if I click on here, you can see that I got the notification that this post has been reposted by me. And there is another solution here. Just click on the share icon and here you will get the option to save a video. So save this video, right? And after saving this video, you can see here that this video is getting saved, and as soon as the video will get saved here, we will wait. Okay, so the video has been got saved, right? So just click on the plus icon and here just go to the upload section, and here you will find the video, right? So here you have to select this, and after that just click on the next, and after that if you want to keep this as a story, you can do it, and if you want to just post this, then click on the next, and here you can just put a caption hashtag, and after that click on the post, and this video will get reposted, right? So this is pretty easy guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.